name's Fiona and welcome back to Crochet by Rose. In today's video I have an unboxing for you. Today's unboxing comes to us from Crochet Society. Crochet Society is curated by Bella Coco Crochet. So Crochet Society is a monthly subscription service where you get all kinds of crochet goodness. Now this month's box seems to have very much of a whimsical theme. You've got a fairground theme with the carousel going all the way around your box. Let's get into this box, shall we? Now, one of my favourite parts of these boxes is the opening and closures, because, listen, it has the Velcro opening. I haven't seen any other subscription box with that kind of detail in it. I love that. So all of the fun of the fair. So it does have the fairground theme, as we suspected. We have this lovely hot pink tissue paper. Let's have a look. And yes, I do peel that off carefully. Ooh, some really bright yarns this month. And we've got multiple, so let's have a look. We have an in-house brand yarn this month. So this is, you know, it's an in-house brand because the ball band on it will say Bella Coco Crochet. This is the Confection DK. This colour is called Icing Sugar. So this is a 50-gram ball and you have 110 metres. That's approximately 125, 130 yards. And the recommended hook size for this is a 3 to 4 millimetre. And it is hand wash, lay flat to dry. So we've got a nice neutral with this cream. Then we've got this as candy floss pink. There we go. This yarn is really soft. So this colour is called Limoncello. This is your golden yellow. Kind of looks like egg yolk yellow to me, but Limoncello. Then we have, what's this one? So this one is called Just Peachy. Oh, I like this one. It's like a tealy colour. This one they've called a Bubblegum. And finally we have Buttermint. So with this box we've been given, let's get this in. So we have 6 balls of yarn. And that is our colour palette. So we've got the greens, the pinks, and then we've got a neutral with the cream, and then we've got the gold colour. So a nice colour, bright, fun colour palette. Got a very summery theme. So we have polyfill, which makes me think at least one of this month's patterns is going to be an origami pattern. So we'll soon see if that is true. So let's see, shall we? So my guess, this gift or extra in here is going to be a pair of snippers or hair scissors. There we go. Yep, I was right. So we have a pair of snippers. Just pull them apart like so. And there we go. We've got a pair of scissors. What else do you have? Okay, so we have the crochet hook that goes with this month's box. Each month you get a bespoke crochet hook. So we have like the candy cane look with this one, with the pink and white swirl. This is a 3.25 millimetre. So you get the polymer clay handle. Then we have some clips to clip our work together. So little binder clips. And then we have this bespoke stitch marker for this month's box. So this is in like a ticket. Looks like a ticket you'd have when you go to a theme park. Admit 1. In here we have some safety eyes. Yeah, we have some safety eyes. And then lastly we have the pattern booklet for this month's box. So we are going to have at least one origami pattern. So let's open this up and have a look. So at the beginning here we have a word from Sarah Jane, also known as Bella Coco. Onto our contents page, so we can make Lex the Lion, which is our origami pattern for this month's box. You can make this lovely wall hanging, Ferris wheel wall hanging, or you can make a beach bag for this summer. Fun of the Fair bag. Tea and chat with one of the designers of this box, Alicia of Dream Crochet. Then your box contents page. So here's our tea and chat with Ashley L. This is the Lex the Line origami pattern. So in this, they haven't used the safety eyes for this, so you don't have to use the safety eyes. You can either stitch them on as they have here, or you can use the safety eyes that they're provided instead, if that's something that you'd prefer to do. We have the clearly ripped pattern. And then we have the contents page. So all the yarns that we've got and the recommended retail prices. Then we have alternative yarns that we can use. So then the second pattern of this book, which is the Ferris wheel hanging by Ashley L. Ashley L was the designer that we had tea and chat with. So clearly ripped patterns. Here are some of the previous origami patterns we've had in this box. My personal favourite from these was the bunny rabbit. I loved making that. It was with the yarn that they provided was an alpaca blend, and it was really soft and worked really well for that particular pattern. Here's some more of what we've had. Then we have the Fun Fair bag, so if you want to make a beach bag for this summer. Then we come to the page where you have some of your previous makes featured. And then finally we have the preview of the box for next month. Very much like a mandala patterns. So I'm interested to see what that looks like. And then at the back we have the crochet conversion chart. Now I hope that you've enjoyed looking at this with me as much as I've enjoyed showing it to you. If you have, then please do click on this like button. And if you would like to see more content like this, then please do click on that subscribe button down below, down here. And then while you're there, go and click on the bell icon. That will give you a notification of when I upload another video. But with that said, thank you for joining me today. I've very much enjoyed showing this box to you, and I hope to see all of you in the next one. Bye!